Okay, so today we got a rather simple install. We got some black grills for the E39. Goes this way. So all we're gonna be doing, of course, just putting it on the car, seeing how it looks, seeing how it fits, and hopefully it fits as we expect. So yeah, it should give the car a bit more of a clean look for the aggression that I'm kind of going for. But I'm gonna keep these grills too because I want to have the best of both worlds, you know what I'm saying, for another set of wheels. So for this set of wheels I'm running, I'm gonna do the black grills. For the other set, keep the chrome. So let's get to it. One thing I want to make sure of as well is that when you pop the hood, that the latch can still clear the grill. I know that's something that is a problem with a lot of double slotted grills. It doesn't give you enough clearance for that latch, so that's going to be pretty important, something to watch out for. What I should do honestly is mock it up just to see before I even put it on, because that'll be a hassle to open up the hood. Yeah, no, I should be okay. It looks like it's direct fitment, so yeah, the slots are the same, which is good. That's a plus. Make our life easier. So what I gotta do, I gotta pop some of the tabs. You can kind of see there. Just gotta bring them through, make sure they don't crack or, you know what I'm saying, snap off. And then the grill will come out. It will be good to put the new one in. Pretty simple process, but figured I'd show you guys, give you an example of kind of what we gotta do. All right, so that's one out. Trust me, I made this harder than it needs to be. I should be using a flathead or a trim tool, but truthfully, I have limited time right now and I couldn't find any of them. So just gonna use what we got. The tool set in the back of the car, and we're making do. Being gentle with it so we don't break anything. I mean, you could do this with a wide variety of tools, honestly, as long as it fits. All right, got both grills out. As you can see, they come out in two pieces. Once you separate it from the tabs, good to go. Let's put the new ones in. There's a new one here. All right. You know what? I'm gonna take a cloth and wipe that real quick. Okay, just making sure all our tabs are in. last thing we want is when you put on new parts for them to fall off. Plus that creates a hazard, right? So but yeah, we're good. I'll show y'all how it looks. Okay, and here are the blacked out grills.